Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI Pro DP10 13M mini PC. So friend, MSI has announced the Pro DP10 13M business and productivity mini PC, and this print size enclosure is packed with more technology than what meets the eyes, and featuring a compact chassis, powerful processor option, exclusive software and Thunderbolt 4. And the Pro DP10 13M is designed with efficiency and productivity in mind, and friend, it provides limitless potential while being less than 1.1 liter in volume, and the small design helps tidy up a desk and save space, while the available robust hardware and software configuration support users in multitasking. And friend, up to a 13th generation Intel Core i7 processor with 12 cores and iris sexy graphics enable user to edit graphics and work with multiple programs faster and more seamlessly than previous generations, and it supports up to 64 GB memory of dual channel design to address specific task requirements and delivering a robust and stable computing performance. And in the rich selection of I/O ports include one DP output, one HDMI out, one D sub VGA and one Thunderbolt 4 seamlessly, and it supports 40 Gbps transfer speed and display output up to 8K resolution, and support up to 4 displays seamlessly so user can view different programs in great detail. And can connect and rapidly transfer data with high bandwidth and low latency 2.5 Gbps Ethernet LAN or a Wi-Fi 6E that emphasizes transmission security and signal improvement, and it can be connected to more devices seamlessly. And a reversible USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C help user to conventionally back up projects or files rapidly. And additionally, the TPM 2.0 helps protect sensitive data and password with encryption key and advanced security. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.